Service in State College, Pennsylvania has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Franklin County in south central Pennsylvania, northeastern County in south central Pennsylvania, southern Huntingdon County in central Pennsylvania, until 8:45 p.m. At 7:59 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Pittsburgh, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Fort Littleton, Willow Hill, Strasburg, Fannitsburg, Roxbury, and Orrstown. Radar has indicated rotation within the severe thunderstorm. Although a tornado is not immediately likely, tornadoes can develop quickly during severe thunderstorms. This includes the Pennsylvania Turnpike from markers 178 to 201. Stay inside a well-built structure and keep away from windows.